Welcome to the channel everyone. Today we're going to look at how to check if your Windows 10 PC can run Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. So to do that, launch your browser and go to Microsoft website as showed here. On Microsoft website, click on Windows 11 tab. Once you click that, go ahead and scroll down till you find Check for Compatibility. Under Check for Compatibility you will see Download. Click on it to download. Once your downloading is completed, double-click it to start the installation. When the installation is completed, it will launch itself. Now, click on Check Now to see if your PC meet the system requirements. So after checking the results, it says this PC can't run Windows 11. Even though this PC is running Windows 11 Pro, but it is not a clean installation. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.